Good afternoon. We're on the Euro Japanese Yen at 13.50. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining on this 5-minute binary option trade taken on the Euro versus the Japanese Yen short. Price having breached the 61.8% retracement according to ITM Saturn Pro and engaged in very short, strongly bearish momentum. So we're going to see some fluctuations here. That's perfectly fine. Our end outcome is most likely going to be positive only because we're engaged in a 100% low put option probability coming up really soon since the 61.8% retracement has been breached. And there it is. It's almost there. The reason we've taken this trade is that the 61.8% retracement, which is a common point for bullish continuation in a bull trend, was breached, broken, and price reverted to the downside. Now we're approaching the reversal zone, making this a high probability, absolutely ballistic trade when price does shoot off short side. So currently we're in the money with 40 seconds to go and price is just shooting downwards without any inclination for stopping. Furthermore, we were helped out a little bit by the folks over at Binary International who released an Elliott wave analysis of the Euro-Japanese yen yesterday, telling us all traders that low put options on the Euro-Japanese yen up until the price target area of 134.80 to 135 would stand a much higher probability of success. And in line with that analysis, we took ITM Saturn Pro, engaged it, and saw that ITM Saturn Pro confirmed that analysis and was indicating short momentum, very strongly bearish momentum here for the first trade that's now completed in 3, 2, 1, 0. We're now in the money, having expired. This was a $2,000 investment that has now turned into $3,400, but we're not going to stop there. As you can see, there's an arrow that's appeared. Let me just execute this trade for another $2,000 to buy a short or low put option here on the 5-minute time frame and head back to the chart to show you exactly what I'm talking about. There we go. We're in the money now. Now on the chart here on ITM Saturn Pro, you'll notice that arrow has appeared, which has indicated a temporary stall. Since the bears succeeded in that stall off of the reversal number 1 and number 2 zones indicated by ITM Saturn Pro, this is again a high probability trade to the short side. And on the left-hand side, you can see a 100% low put option probability indicating that the price will escalate downwards very, very fast. Also, a few other price action indicators to see here are, as you know, ITM Saturn Pro is a price action analytics system. You can see that the Fibonacci level of 100% is being approached. The reversal number 1 and number 2 levels have been breached. And once we scroll over to the left of the chart shortly, you'll also see, once again, just confirming that we're in the money here with the first trade having been expired at $3,400, netting us a $1,400 profit on this one trade. 4 minutes left on this trade to go. The price is now breaching the daily open. Having retraced successfully and breached through the 61.8, it is now breaching through the open, getting out of the call zone and being attracted to the put zone very, very successfully. This is in line with the long-term analysis of Euro JPY being short up until a price target area of 134.80 to 135. Price is now heading towards the put zone, escalating with slight resistance, slight support here that was a support before the bull trend started on this 1 minute time frame. And we'll scroll over to the chart on the left-hand side shortly to show you that once I've gone through these moves a little closer. The open at 137.473, there you go. The Fibonacci retracements have now reverted bearish, which means that we will be seeing further bearish momentum, price escalating downwards. This is the beauty of ITM Saturn Pro's real-time price action analytics, which give traders a lot more confidence in their trading, especially on short time frames to do with 60 seconds and 5-minute trades. 5-minute trades, as you know, are much more successful and more reliable than 60-second trades, which can be touch and go. Here we are on the 5-minute time frame with the put zone now strongly attracting price. 100% low put option probability, 1 hour data being bearish. We're comfortably in the money here with 2 minutes and 49 seconds to go, and the price just continuing to move shorter and shorter. Again, reversals number 1 and 2 of the put zone now being targeted. It serves as a magnet really for price when reversal zones in the call area are broken, and the open is now being tested and broken as well. Bears still in command. ITM Saturn Pro indicating a 100% low put option probability, which when it happens, we can rest assured, that low or put options are a much stronger bet than call options by a mile. You're looking at 85 to 95% probability associated with low put options. And here, ITM Saturn Pro is indicating a 100% low put option probability. As you can see, there's 2 minutes left in this trade, being comfortably in the money, and the price is continuing to escalate short. We're now approaching the put zone with the put zone reversal levels, which are serving as a magnet for price. All short-term as well as long-term timeframes on the hourly data are also very strongly bearish, indicating the second trade is also going to expire comfortably in the money. The first trade having already done that to net as a $1,400 profit on a $3,400 return. Price is now testing the open area and constantly leading to bears winning the race. We're out of the call zone. That support's been broken. It's now been turned into temporary resistance, and we're most likely, since ITM Saturn Pro is indicating a 100% low put option probability, we're most likely to see this price escalate further short after a few retests very, very quickly. We're now at the 137.45 area, going to head short. Most likely, again, we don't really need to wait around too much longer because we're a minute and 10 seconds left in this trade. Price will not be reversing back into the call zone anytime soon, since the reversal levels indicated by ITM Saturn Pro, which are trend change levels, and especially when the Fibonacci retracements change color from green to red in the midst of a breakage of the 61.8 as we saw earlier, that on its own is a very strong indication that shorts are in the lead. 100% low put option probability advertised by ITM Saturn Pro on the left also indicates that strong bearish momentum is in the lead and that you should refrain from taking any call options. As you can see, price is now entering the put zone and escalating towards further short side momentum here, and it will continue to do that since that near-term support has now been breached and has effectively turned into resistance. This is the beauty of using ITM Saturn Pro's real-time price action analytics, available to all binary international traders free of cost, of course, since they tell you in real time what's going on in the market and how you can take binary options with a very, very high probability of success, only because it follows the price. It doesn't follow anything but the price. Following the trend, accurately outlining levels for you to take trades off of. Here we go. Second trade has now expired in the money, netting us yet another $1,400 return, making the total profit for this session $2,800 on two swift trades taken off of cleanly, neatly outlined Fibonacci retracement levels and a 100% low put option probability advertised for you on the left-hand side of the panel by ITM Saturn Pro to make it extremely easy for you to engage the trend, especially when these moves are coming up.